What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys back another top Cydia tweak video. So in this one, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 new Cydia tweaks. So let me know down below in the comment section if you guys prefer the top 10 or top 5 Cydia tweak videos. So if you're looking for more tweaks like this, make sure you guys go check out my channel. I have a ton of videos on it. So all the tweaks that I mentioned in the video will be down below in the description of the video, as well as the sources that you'll need to add to get any specific tweaks. So before we start the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. The first tool we have in today's video is called CydiaPullDown. So what this one allows you to do is, if we open up our Cydia application right here, when you guys refresh your apps, you have to go to changes and then tap on the refresh icon. But with this tweak, all you have to do is just pull and let go, and it's going to automatically refresh your Cydia tweaks and apps. So just a very simple one called CydiaPullDown. The next tweak I have for you guys is called SafariFastType, and originally when you open up a new tab in your Safari application, it doesn't actually open up the keyboard for you. You have to click on the tab at the top of the screen, but with this tweak, it will automatically place your keyboard when you open up a new tab. So I'm going to show you guys again. So if I go to the plus sign, it's going to automatically open up our keyboard so we don't have to tap on the top of the screen. Just a very useful tweak called SafariFastType. The next tweak for you guys is called WaggleTune, and this one's very similar to a tweak I reviewed before called Flowick. So you guys see right here, I have this cool little icon where I have a music player. So this is Spotify. It also works with Apple Music and YouTube. So you guys can see we have the album artwork, as well as we have the option to resume the song or stop it, as well as go to the next or previous song. So you guys can just drag it around the screen if you would like to. You guys can just tap on it so it kind of goes hidden at the side here, and then we can also obviously just drag it back out. And there's a lot of customizations with this, so you guys can enable it on your lock screen, hide in screenshots. You guys can have the default position, but I have the freely moving so I can drag it around the screen. You guys can have the haptic feedback when you touch on it, controller size. So if you want to increase the size of it, you have the option to do that. And we have the Waggles controller button style. So I'd have it that's filled, and you guys can change the horizontal and vertical sensitivity. And obviously, once you change any settings, make sure you guys tap on Respring. So this one's called WaggleTunes. The next tweak for you guys is called Playour, and this one completely redesigns your music player on your lock screen. So basically just matches the album artwork right here. Go to the next song, same exact thing, and you guys can even change the border color. So if I go into here, go to a custom color, I have it set to blue right now. If I go to my lock screen, you guys see the border is completely blue now. And like I said, I prefer the primary one where it just automatically changes the color to match its album artwork. So a pretty cool tweak to have called Playour. The last tweak for you guys is called IconCert 14, and this one's a very useful tweak if you're signing applications using AltStore or Reprovision Reborn. Basically, those applications allow you to sign any app you want, and you guys can see right here, my Unc0ver app that I currently have signed with Reprovision Reborn has 4 days left, so it automatically reminds you on the icon right there. So it's a very useful application. So if I want to resend the application with about a day left, I will be able to see that just from my home screen. I don't have to go into the application just like this and then re-sign it myself, because it also does say 4 days as well. So very useful tweak to have called IconCert 14. So that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you guys prefer the shorter tweak videos, let me know down below in the comment section, or if you want the longer ones, make sure to drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.